Excel ribbon and their commands.
Next group in Home tab, number format, percentage style, comma style, increase decimal, decrease decimal. Select this numerical data, click on increase decimal, click on decrease decimal. Again click on comma style, open number format, click on general, click on number format, click on number, decimal points is shown. Again click on accounting. Okay, dollar sign is shown. Again click on general. Okay, everything is gone. The normal data is come. Click on percentage style. Percentage come. Again click on comma style. Again click on general. Again click on dollar sign. Again click on general. Again click on arrowhead. You can see so many rupee style. Next one, group style in Home tab. Select the heading, cell styles, click on heading 3, then select the product details, go to cell styles, click on calculations, normal, click on normal, click on ascent, then select the data, cell style, select the data, click on cell style, select the data, click on cell style, cancel the style by clicking on normal, select the heading, cell style, click on normal, heading, select the heading, click on cell style, click on normal,